Hello, my name is Hisham, and I'm from Israel. I went through the diversity visa process by myself. I first applied to the diversity visa lottery in 2007. When I found out I had finally won, I was excited. I contacted DCLO because they offered me the best chances of success. DCLO helped me along the entire process and was most helpful by keeping me on target. My biggest fear during the process was that I would make mistake, but BCLO got me through it by working with me through the whole process. I will move to the US very soon. Hiring Dotan Cohen law officers was worth it to me because they are the best. Thank you, Dotan Cohen. דותן, תודה על הכל, ואנחנו נמשיך להיות איתך, ומי שתיכנס לתמונה הזאת גם הבת זוג שלי, ואין עליך.